Nuh-uh, broccoli has 2 C's.
No, it doesn't. It only has 1.
Why did you disagree with me?
Because you're wrong.
Well, now everyone has to vote on who's right. Billie Jean, broccoli has 2 C's in it. Agree or disagree?
Definitely agree.
There. Thank you. Miss Smith, can you vote? Does broccoli have 2 C's?
Yes, Jess, I agree.
Thank you. Time's up, Dalton, and everyone agrees I'm right.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to rub it in my face.
Dalton, you lost the disagreement. Goodbye.
What happened to Dalton? I thought I was just supposed to get bragging rights.
In our attempt to alleviate conflict, we will eliminate those who are wrong.